Hello fellas, I have the Milwaukee M12BDD and it's just not working. Can hit it, press it and move it, and it's still not working. Check the battery and it have good voltage, so we'll disassemble it and check what's wrong. We have it with it, starting from this metal clip, pushing it up, and okay, we have it open it. And of course we can see a lot of dust here, the dirt, and we need to separate the motor from the gear chassis, taking the alligator clips. And you can see that it's almost 12 volts minus DC. If I will change the direction, it must be the plus DC. No, no, strange. Maybe I have to change the direction. Yeah, now we see the plus DC, and now we can see the minus DC, so that means all these parts are working and our fault is in the motor, so we need to replace the motor with new one. Okay, now it's time to change the motor. Have the new motor. Okay, just get okay. So we have the old and the new motors. The new one goes with a plastic piece. So now we have the red dot here and here, so it's our positive. Put a wire here. I put some solder on the motor legs before making the video. And we have the switch in the motor. Don't forgetting the metal plate from the housing. We have the motor in the housing, so we can try to test it. Yep, works. Okay, I got fit the gear chassis. Now the speed changer. Okay, so everything seems to be in place. I will try to close the housing. The pin. bending it inside and putting the bottle here. So that was a motor fault. We have replaced the motor with the burner brushes.